50% Amazon commissions. I mean, can you imagine that? I mean, are you tired of getting 1 to 2%, at most 4% commissions on your Amazon products when you're doing your Amazon affiliates, your Amazon associates program, or even at your Amazon influencer program? If you're in the Amazon influencer program, this applies to you too. 50% commissions is like not heard of. People stay away from Amazon. As far as affiliate marketing, because of the low commissions. They go, Amazon, low commissions, but they don't realize the high traffic that Amazon drives, the amount of traffic that, and you don't have to drive the traffic. I mean, great, if you're an Amazon influencer, they want you to drive offsite traffic, and that's a different story entirely. We're talking about Logi. Logi is an app, it's an extension, it's a club, it's a group, it's a mastermind. It's something if you need to belong to if you're an Amazon associate or an Amazon influencer. And there's a link in the bottom, and you can join my invitation code to get in, because they're not just letting anybody in, but with my code you'll get in. And I'm going to go over a couple of things about Logi and what you can do. But 50% commissions on products for Amazon promotional Amazon on your social medias and on your Amazon influencer page, your storefront. Yeah, come on, let's go check it out. 50% commissions, it's just unheard of. I just love saying that. Okay, this is sign up page for Logi, mylogi.com/signup. Isn't that difficult? You can't remember that. And if you go to the invitation code right up here and you put jimmullen, all lowercase, they'll let you in. They'll let you in. There's so much value in Logi. We're not going to touch on anything. I have other videos on. They give you a free website, a dot shopping. I think it's dot shopping. It's crazy. Anyway, let's go in and get to the juice that we're here for. We're here for 50% commissions. Check this out. So here I am on the Logi dashboard. You got a dashboard. It's going to tell you your active summary. Up here on the right, they're going to tell you your best performing products, your highest earning products, a bunch of analytics. It's just crazy. Going to show you your live show analytics, when people bought, what they bought. All right, but we're going to come over here onto the left, onto this here, and we're going to go to products, okay? Because I'm going to show you this products. And of course, you got my products here, and you got your opportunities. Your opportunities products is what we're really looking for here, right? Now, we can sort by category because there's a bunch of products, and now there's a bunch of brands, and they're trying to get more and more. But it's still a pilot program, still in beta, and you really got to get in and start promoting these products, making yourself some money. 50% commissions. Let's go to home and kitchen. We have all of these different categories, right? Now, they're giving you over here. I can't get it off my thing. So, automatic promotions, discounted price, clipping coupons. It's telling you that they have a $10 clipping coupon, and they're going to save $1.99 discounted price on this one, and you're going to earn 20% commissions on this one, right? The one on the right is the 20% commissions, and these are all your kitchen products, okay? Now down here, these ones are 50% commissions, okay? Now these are nice little gifts, blankets. Now you promote these on your social media, you sell them, you're going to get 50% commissions from the brand through Logi. Logi's going to keep 1%, right? And then you're going to get your regular Amazon 1 to 2% commissions, whatever the category is. And over here is telling you right here that it's a current discounted price. They're going to save $10. Okay, so it's already telling you what's discounted, what's on sale, what's got a clippable coupon, right? Any category you want. Okay, there's all kinds of categories. Let's get out of home and kitchen, and we'll go to health and household. Beauty and personal care is also another one. Now these ones are 20% commissions that you're going to get, right? So let's get rid of this one. Let's go to pet supplies. We got pet supplies even in here, right? And they got 10%, 50% commissions on this one, 50% commissions on this one, all right? 50% commissions on this one. And of course you look and you can see that they have the current discounted price. They're saving $10. And you promote these. Now, I'm going to go deeper into the rabbit hole, because not only can you do that, but you can come up here to create, right? And you can create new content, okay? Shop a video, a product post, okay? And you pick whatever product you want. If I want to, now this is one of my products. So if I want to do a post on this, so this is a case. So I go next, right? Boom, I'm going to generate a title, right? AI. Now this is what do you call that AI that everybody's going crazy about? Artificial intelligence. I forgot what it was called.
Yes, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the AI that Logi uses.
This is going to create your title. So the perfect gift for anyone who loves their glasses. You click that, that's your title, right? and of course you're going to generate a description. Now it's going to generate a description based on the product, and it's going to have your hashtags in here, the product name, the logo, of course, you got your ad in there to cover yourself, and it's got your product link, already your product link, your Amazon associate product link, so you get your better commissions. And you go to next. Now you can, that's automatically, it's going to say, when do you want it posted? You automatic, right? And then you can create a thumbnail, and it has all in here, templates, millions of templates. You can change the template. It's an amazing tool. I don't want to go too much because I have videos on just doing this, all right? So I'm not going to get into it, but right from the get-go, you're making content right here, and as you go through it, obviously you can upload it straight to the social media, and you can upload it to Amazon, to Facebook, to Instagram, to TikTok, to anywhere you want to do it, to Pinterest. Okay, and this is the power of Logi and 50% commissions, Amazon commissions. It's nuts. Okay, it's just nuts. 50%. No more the days of 1 to 2% commissions. Okay, no more the days of 1 to 2% commissions. 50% commissions for working with Amazon, and Amazon. The traffic is already there on Amazon. Okay, so you don't have to drive traffic to your. So you put your posts on your Facebook. Right? Or if you're an Amazon influencer, right, the traffic is already there. If you're an Amazon associate, you're trying to drive it from your social media, that's a different story. So you put your posts on your social media, you drive traffic to Amazon, but everything is here, and you're going to get your 50% commissions from Logi. That they're going to keep the 1%. If you look up here, they're going to keep 1% to cover their fees, right? And you're going to get your normal Amazon commissions that you would normally get for Amazon for your 1 to 2% for your conversions, okay? That's crazy, and that's Logi. Now, go down. There's a link in the description for Logi. Use my invitation code, jimmullen, lowercase letters. 50% Amazon commissions, guys, okay? And that's just one part of the Logi website, the Logi app, extension, the Logi app, okay? I'm not sure what to call it, Ehud. Is it an app? Is it an extension? What is it? It's crazy. It's a mastermind, okay? I mean, and guys, speaking of masterminds, you join the Facebook group. We have meetings every Friday. Hold on a second. Let me pop over here. Events at Logi. If you go to logi.ai/events, it'll tell you. Of course, there's a Facebook group to join, and if you go there, you'll see that you can join the Facebook groups down here, and you can join these meetings on Friday. One of them's at 12 noon, one of them's at 2 p.m. And the 12 p.m. one is a mastermind on being an Amazon influencer, about making money online with Amazon and being an influencer and an associate. And then the Logi training at 2 o'clock is teaching you how to use Logi. I'm telling you, the sales training in that alone is just priceless. Okay, what you catch just being a fly on the wall in these meetings is just really, really worth the price of admission, which is nothing, by the way. Logi's not charging you anything for any of this. It's incredible. So join Logi today. Get involved. If you're an Amazon influencer or an Amazon associate, you're going to want to get involved with Logi. Okay. Now, Logi, who is Logi? Logi's been around since the beginning. Okay. Logi is one of the first Amazon influencers to be invited to the program to do live streaming on Amazon and do live selling, live shopping on Amazon. They've been in since the beginning, and they know what they're doing, and they know how to run with the Amazon app. They know how to integrate and do it the Amazon way. So you're never in danger of getting your account shut down, because that's always a big question when you go to these third-party people. But Logi is in partnership with Amazon as far as that goes. They never would do anything against terms of service. 100%. With confidence, you can join Logi and get involved. And 50% commissions, guys. I mean, how many times do I got to say it? So I hope you're excited, as I am, about Logi and making 50% commissions on Amazon. I mean, our efforts on Amazon in the past have been for 1 to 2%. And so many people I talk to will say, Amazon, that's low commissions. I could make 50% commissions doing this. Now you can make 50% commissions on Amazon, and actually making more, because you're making the 50% commissions from the Logi, from getting right from the brand, and then you're getting 1 to 2% to 4% for your conversions on Amazon. I mean, it's just incredible. I mean, this is what we've been waiting for as Amazon associates and Amazon influencers. Okay, so just go down. The link is there, and join Logi. use my invitation code to get in, and come to the Friday meetings. It's free. It's Mastermind. You're going to learn so much. I mean, the people that are in there that have been influencers on Instagram and TikTok and Pinterest and have a lot of extensive experience being influencers, okay, are in those meetings giving us tips on how to be influencers on Amazon. It's incredible. It's just incredible. Join. It's free. Okay. What else can I say about it? It's free. It's free. It's free. It's free. Of course, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I give all kinds of tips on Amazon influencers, Amazon associates, making money online, and of course, Logie. Okay, Logie is a big part of my journey and making money with Amazon. You can't really, it's incredible what I've learned from being a Logie member. Okay, that should be all enough. Have you joined yet? Click the link. What are you still doing here?